finally get to paint the hallway with natural lime paint. This is part 2 of restoring the hallway, and I'm going to use the same type of lime paint that was used on the walls when this house was built in 1920. And I made all of the rookie mistakes doing it. The next day, it looked absolutely terrible, but it's all part of the process. So I hope you enjoy the video. Oh, yellow. But it will become a lot whiter. Yeah. Oh shit. You like mustard color? You like mustard? Mustard. Dijon? Dijon? Dijon color.
Dijon.
Mustard. This was the original color that I found underneath everything.
Yeah, it was
underneath, yeah. So we've analyzed it and matched it perfectly. Wow. It's scary. And it gets everywhere. You want to try it? Oh, you have to press very hard, like a firm grip, and then you do 8s. Okay. So it doesn't get any. Okay. Just go for it. Yeah. Just go straight 90 degrees towards it. Yeah. Exactly. Yay. Yeah. When this dries, it's going to be a lot lighter, which is a pity because I really like the color just as it is now. But I guess it's just hard to go for the strongest colors and the brightest colors. You chicken out basically. And this was the sample that I got, was a very good match of the existing walls, but there were different yellows on it, so it's hard to know which one to go for.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
So this is about 10 days after I painted the first layer, and of course it's wet now, but I wasn't pleased with how it looked, so I ordered another bucket of paint, but a slightly different hue, a bit muddier, I suppose. It's 7:30, I have to go to work in an hour. So I was supposed to be done with the hallway now, but the result has not been as I expected. And the walls just look very uneven, but I mean, I never expected the lime paint to look perfect and even, because that's not the way lime paint looks. So I contacted the company that makes all of my lime products and asked for advice, and I sent them some photos, and they said that most of the times when the result is not great and when it's lime paint indoors, then it's probably that you haven't saturated the walls enough with moisture, so the walls and the surface, it dries unevenly. Well, for 4 hours I've been going back and forth and spraying the walls. I'm not just doing the hallway, but doing the bedroom at the same time. And I only had paint to do this, and then it's going to have to do. So I really hope this is the right call. I think I filled up 15 bottles of water and sprayed and sprayed and sprayed. And when you see that it becomes patchy and some areas dry up, then you spray those again, and you keep doing that. So I've been coming back here. Well, the first round took like 1.5 hours. And then I waited for 1 hour, and then I came back and sprayed all the uneven surfaces, and then did everything again, and so on. So I think should be good now. Okay, so it's 3 days later, and while I was painting this again, I had a really bad feeling, because while I was painting, I could see that the paint was just running off. It didn't stick to the wall properly. So I had to go back and keep painting until I could see that it started to get soaked into the wall. So I did not have a good feeling when I went to bed that night. And sure enough, the next day, it looked absolutely terrible. And I realized that I had, saturated the walls too much. And that could apparently happen as well. But yesterday and today, it looks a lot better. It's still not good enough though, but it's an improvement. However, because the walls were saturated, I didn't use a lot of paint, so I think I have enough to try one more time. In the hallway, this will be the 4th time I'm painting, and 1 or 2 layers should be enough. But I'm just gonna have to see this as a training for the rest of the house. So I'm just gonna do it again. It took me 6 hours last time, which was a waste of time. But hopefully it will take less time now because I don't have to saturate the walls so much. So I'm going to have to find a perfect balance between the first times and this second time of spraying the walls. Wish me luck again.